Leave me alone. You don't see me? I don't run. On our head, no correct. On our head, no correct. The be like son they look for who go finish on her. Igbos, I don't know them. I don't know where they come from. Because I know that if not for British intervention, I would still be selling them. The way my father sold them. Now look at you people in Igbo land. Look at how you are dying. Woto. You are talking. You will do video to sell that Elijah has run away. You don't see me? I don't run. Leave me alone. You don't see me? I don't run. On our head, no correct. On our head, no correct. The be like son they look for who go finish on her.
Arik, this is absolutely wrong, and we will not accept any citizen of Nigeria to create a tribal war in our country. Our forefathers have experienced it, our fathers have experienced it. Our generation will not experience such thing again. Now, this brings us back to the issue of gun violence that is happening in the Western world. How can you bring a live AK-47, an AK-47, a rifle on your live video, and you're threatening an ethnic group? Even if you're not Igbo, respect the Igbos. Respect every other ethnic group in the country. You can't do this. Look at your meeting recently with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and it was showing that you are a man that means well for the country. But barely 72 hours or how many days after, you are coming live on TV. Or could this be an old video? I don't think so. But Asari Dokubo, you need to address this. You need to correct this error. This is an error. This is a very big error. Okay? People have the right to their opinion. Yes, I know. But don't threaten any ethnic group in the country. Please don't. You do not have the monopoly of violence. You don't, as Asari Dokubo, you don't have the monopoly of violence. I can assure you that. If the Hausas want to start their own, if the Igbos want to start, if the Yoruba wants to start, if the Fulani wants to start, if everybody wants to go crazy and show how mad they can, Nigeria will just become a desert. Please, don't do this. And government, please take note. Please take note. We don't want people coming and threatening any ethnic group in the country. Please share this video, let it reach out to all those concerned, and let our brothers and sisters know that one Nigeria is possible, and nobody should put any ethnic group, religion under any form of threat. Let's be united, let's be one. Thank you. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you.